Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. Today I've brought you a video about fixing the new update version error in TranslucentTB. First, go to the Task Manager. Search for Windows Explorer up top. When you right-click on Windows Explorer, the Restart option will appear. Click on Restart. Now close the Task Manager. Go to the Start menu and search for TranslucentTB. Open it, and on the side you will see a pop-up confirming that TranslucentTB has started. After that, restart your computer once, and the problem will be solved.